We're gonna drive across the dam right now. I didn't think you could do this, but you can.
Yeah, you can. Damn right. Motherfricker, can you frickin' stop?
It's not a race. Alright. Here are all the damn guides. See ya. We came right at the end of the day.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Got the last two spots.
I'm surprised they let you just drive across this thing.
Yeah. Maybe like other times of the year they don't. Like if it's really
Yield to
crowded.
pedestrians within crosswalk.
But
Yep, take your time.
sure, bro. Whatever floats your boat.
And we are now on the dam.
All these damn pedestrians. Wow.
That's what my friend rented.
Yeah.
That's cool. That guy was on our dam tour.
Wow. Very cool.
Hello, fellow challenger.
That was cool. Now we've officially driven across the Hoover Dam.
Here's the other side. We're also now in Arizona.
No tolls.
That is not a crosswalk. I am not required to stop. I will stop for you. They almost did not. Wow, now we get to see the other side.
Mm-hmm.
All right, see you later.